Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Circles. So let's see what are today's learning outcomes. After watching this video, students, you will be able to learn about circle and its various parts. Also, you will be able to recognize and define radius, diameter, chord, sector, segment and an arc of the circle. So let's begin with introduction. Circles are involved in nearly every aspect of our daily lives. It's very important for students to be confident on circles, its properties, terminology of its different parts, measuring angles by the chord or segments, and they also need to have a solid knowledge on properties of different parts and the use of those in daily life. We meet many real life situations based on circles. For example, in construction industry, the making of the watch and the movement of its hands, motion of wheel and its shape of a pizza, many floral design, etc. We can say the shape and motion of the planets and other celestial bodies are also circular. This is the shape which has the maximum use in every field and every work in our daily life. Here are certain examples of circles from our daily life. So let's begin with definition of a circle. The set of all the points on a plane, those are at a fixed distance from a fixed point, makes a circle. And this fixed point is the center, and the fixed distance between the center and any point on the circle is termed as a radius. See, here it is the center. और सेंटर से जिस मर्जी पॉइंट पर हम इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे, जो भी लाइन सेगमेंट बनेगी, that will be a radius. Let's see, we can draw it. Suppose अब मैं यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करती हूँ ऐसे. This is also a radius. सेंटर को इधर ज्वाइन करूँगी. Distance fixed है. This is called radius. Radius. चलिए next. A circle divides a plane into three parts, such as exterior, interior and the circle. अगर हम कहीं पर भी सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो उसको प्लेन को थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देता है. दिस इज इंटीरियर. अगर हम रेड पार्ट को करें तो सर्कल इटसेल्फ, जो रेड पार्ट के आउटर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर. एंड रेड प्लस ग्रीन मींस इज ग्रीन और रेड को इफ वी लुक एट टुगेदर, दिस इज कॉल्ड सर्कुलर रीजन. So let's do basic terms and definitions. Chord. The line joining any two points on a circle is termed as chord. देखिए, ये दो पॉइंट्स है सर्कल पर, हम इनको ज्वाइन करते हैं. जो भी ये लाइन सेगमेंट बनती है, इसको हम chord कहते हैं. चलिए और chords ड्रॉ करके देख लेते हैं. अगर यहाँ पर हम C पॉइंट लें और इधर D पॉइंट लें, जब हम C को D से ज्वाइन करते हैं तो दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इज ऑल्सो अ कॉर्ड. C को A से ज्वाइन करते हैं, इवन देन इट इज अ कॉर्ड. B को B से ज्वाइन करते हैं, इट इज अ कॉर्ड. वी कैन ड्रॉ इनफाइनाइट मैनी कॉर्ड्स इन द सर्कल. Diameter. The longest chord of the circle is the diameter, which passes through the center of it. See, उन्होंने कहा जो longest chord है वो diameter है, and diameter always passes through center. तो अगर ये सेंटर है, ये रेडियस है और ये भी रेडियस है, तो वी कैन से डायमीटर इज 2 times रेडियस. नेक्स्ट कम्स आर्क. अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्कल और अ पीस ऑफ सर्कल बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स इज कॉल्ड एन आर्क. सी, ये अगर मैंने दो पॉइंट्स लिए ए और बी, जो ये वाला पोर्शन है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एन आर्क. अगर हम अदर वे देखें, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एन आर्क. See, I'm drawing it. This is also called an arc. Semicircle. When A and B are the end points of diameter. See here. ये diameter है AB, B और B उसके end points हैं. अब जो ये वाली arc है, इस वाली arc को हम कहेंगे semicircle. नीचे वाली arc को भी हम कहेंगे semicircle. Because both arcs are equal. Next comes sector. A region enclosed between any two radii and an arc is termed as sector of the circle. See here, OA and OB are two radii and AB is an arc. So this portion or this region is called a sector. Other way, this region is also called a sector. This region has specific name. Let me choose pen. This is called minor sector, and other way this is called major sector. 1/4 part of a circular region in the form of a sector is termed as a quarter of the circle. देखिए, this part is known as a quarter or quadrant of the circle. Next comes major and minor sector. अभी हमने previous slide पे भी किया. This portion is minor sector. Sector क्या था? The region enclosed between two radii. Here OA and OB are radii. AB is arc. अगर हम other way देखें, this AB is major arc. OA and OB are again two radii. So this portion is called major sector. Next comes major and minor segment. A chord divides a circle into two parts. This is called segment. देखिए, अगर हम chord draw कर देते हैं, तो this is called segment. In other words, we can say that the region enclosed between a chord and an arc is known as a segment. So this side it is a minor segment and this is a major segment. Similarly, we can define major and minor arc. See here, जो सेमी सर्कल से छोटी होगी that will be the minor arc, और जो सेमी सर्कल से बड़ी होगी that will be called as major arc. Let's do exercise 10.1. Fill in the blanks. The center of a circle lies in the dash of the circle. Exterior or interior? It's quite obvious. It lies in the interior. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies outside or inside the circle. See here? ये सेंटर है, ये रेडियस है. अगर कोई रेडियस से बड़ा है तो ऑब्वियसली कहाँ लाई करेगा? बाहर. So we should write here exterior. The longest chord of a circle is diameter of the circle. An arc is a dash when its ends are ends of diameter. क्या कहते हैं? अभी हमने रीड किया. Yes, it is called semicircle. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and a chord of the circle. A circle divides a plane on which it lies in how many parts? In 3 parts. कौन से थे 3 parts? Exterior, interior and the circle itself. चलिए अब हम करते हैं next question. Second question में कहा गया write true or false and give reasons for your answer. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. It is true. How is it true? By definition of radius. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. It is false. अभी हमने पीछे क्या कहा था? A circle can have infinite many number of chords. और उनमें से equal भी कितनी हो सकती है? Infinite many. If a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each is a major arc. It is false. मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? Major arc कौन सी है? जो semi circle से bigger होगी, that will be the major arc. So ये तो 3 parts में जब divide कर रहे हैं, तो वो तो छोटी रहेगी. It will be a minor arc. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is diameter of the circle. It is absolutely true. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. It's false. Why it's false? Because sector is the region between 2 radii and its corresponding arc. A circle is a plane figure. It is absolutely true. बच्चे इससे एक्सरसाइज 10.1 फिनिश हो जाती है. आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करेंगे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.